Good morning, children. How are you today? Сәлеметсіздер ме, балалар? Қалдарың қалай? Здравствуйте, ребята. Как ваши дела? The theme of our lesson is our planet. Бүгінгі біздің сабақ тақырыбымыз біздің ғаламшар. Тема нашего урока называется «Наша планета». Speaking. Look at the photos. What are these animals and planets? In which parts of Kazakhstan can you see them? Can you tell me? Please. Listening, read and listen to the Traveler's Diary. Complete the fact file about Betpak Dala.
From Lake Balhash to the Sarasu River. The 15th of May. Together with two British friends and our local guide, Serik, I set off on a journey through Betpak Dala, a desert region in the south of Kazakhstan. It covers an area of about 75,000 square kilometers, almost the size of Scotland. I'd always imagined the desert as a dead place, dry, dusty, covered with the skulls and bones of dead animals. But very soon after leaving the city of Balhash, I realized how wrong I'd been. In the springtime, Betpak Dala is full of life. I saw all sorts of plants today, like saxaul trees, wild tulips, and alhagi. Serik explained that alhagi grows well in deserts because it has deep roots. A 1 meter tall plant's main root is more than 15 meters long. The 18th of May. We've been traveling for 3 days, and we've seen lots of animals. Camels, argali, steppe lemmings, jerboa, squirrels, wolves, and foxes. We step carefully through the grass, because Serik says there are snakes too. Today, we finally saw saiga antelopes. These incredible animals are critically endangered, because humans hunt them for their meat and horns. But this is not the only problem. In 2015, a deadly disease killed more than 200,000 of the saigas living in Betpak Dala. That was 60% of the global saiga population. The 22nd of May. We reached Mount Jambul around lunchtime and decided to stop for a short break. At 974 meters, it's the highest point in Betpak Dala, and the views from the top are breathtakingly beautiful. The 25th of May. Tomorrow is the last day of our trip. I wish we could stay longer. It's been such an amazing experience. I'm writing this by the light of our small campfire. Nights are surprisingly cold in the desert. During the day, it's about 20 degrees Celsius, but at night, it's almost always under 5 degrees Celsius. In summer, it's much hotter, with average temperatures of 26 degrees Celsius. In winter, the average temperature is around minus 14 degrees Celsius, and it sometimes snows. The stars look bigger and brighter here in Betpak Dala. If I had internet connection, I'd try to find out their names. The only one I know is Polaris, the North Star. I want to ask Serik, but he's fast asleep. It's so peaceful and quiet now. The only sounds I hear are the ones made by some insects hiding in the grass.
Exercise number 1. Look at the phrases in blue in the text and underline the adverbs in each phrase. Then decide which category from 1 to 3 each phrase belongs to. First, adverb plus verb. Second, adverb plus adjective. The third one, adverb plus adverb. Exercise number 2. Put the words in the correct order. Let's watch the video.
Betpak Dala or Betpak Dala, Kazakh, Betpak Dala from Turkish Batpak, swampy, or Persian bedbart, unlucky, and Turkish Dala, plain, Russian, Se Verna Golodna steppe, lit. Hungry Steppe is a desert region in Kazakhstan. It is located between the lower reaches of the Sarisu River, the Chu River, and Lake Balkhash. In the north, near the 46°30 parallel, Betpak Dala borders on the Kazakh Melkosopoknik area of low, rounded, isolated hills. Its area is approximately 75,000 square kilometers. The desert is a flat, gently rolling plain with an elevation ranging from 300 to 350 meters, 1,000 to 1,500 feet, and a general southwestern incline. Elevations are greatest in the east. In the southeast, the Zheltau highland reaches an elevation of 974 meters at Mount Dzhambul. The western part of Betpak Dala is composed of folded Mesozoic rock and horizontally layered Paleogene friable rock, sand, sandstone, clay, and conglomerates. The eastern hilly region has a plicate structure and is composed of lower Paleozoic sedimentary metamorphic rock series and granite. The climate is sharply continental. The annual precipitation is between 100 and 150 millimeters, of which only 15% occurs in summer. Summers are dry and hot, winters are cold with little snow. The average temperature in January ranges from -12 degrees to -14 degrees Celsius, and the average temperature in July ranges from 24 degrees to 26 degrees Celsius. There are many shallow, often saline lakes. Underground waters, emerging in places, are abundant. The predominant soils are grey-brown desert salinchak and solanates. The western region of Betpak Dala is an argillaceous sagebrush desert. Anabasis salsa grows in the salt marsh depressions, while Pamirian winterfat Crassioninacovia ceratoides and Siberian pea shrub Caragana arborescens grow on the sand dunes. In the east, the argillaceous desert merges with the stony desert where Salsola arbuscula grows on the rocky hills. Betpak Dala is used as a spring and autumn grazing land. In autumn 2014, English explorer Jamie Bunchuck completed an expedition to cross the Betpak Dala to its fullest longitudinal extent, from Lake Balkhash in the east to the Sarisu River in the west. He also ran 190 miles, nearly 8 marathons, back-to-back, over the course of 8 days within the region. An epizootic of pastoralosis occurred in Betpak Dala in May 2015, in which more than 120,000 saiga antelope, representing more than a third of the global population, were confirmed dead.